8:45 and we just landed.
Good morning. What's good, Korea? It's raining. Look.
Korean.
What's good, Korea?
What's up, Korea? Hello, everyone. We passed immigration. Now we're waiting for our bags because Naila only took hers.
I only thing that is near is mine.
Liar! Just kidding. We are now in the bus to go to the city. We look so barai, so masam, so musty, but we don't smell. That's good. Hi guys, it's 5:45. We're going out for dinner.
Oh yeah yeah. Navigator section.
So like, not very good. Fried chicken yang dah habis, ramyeon, kimchi, fried rice.
Jenna, would you like some of my kimchi?
No. So it's yummy. Hi guys, we are at a matcha cafe called Matcha. And I ordered in Korean for the first time. I was shaking. Here's the normal what do you want to order? Are you having your thing?
How you say having it?
I say having already. I forgot already. So guys, I think I ordered wrongly. I wanted matcha milk tea, but they give me a matcha cream latte. But it's so good. It's like a combination of iced latte plus matcha. I think from matcha foam, but it's super good. Like, super good. This is the love of my life. Rate your drink.
Saya tak. Nomi.
Firstly, you were so excited to do that.
Yeah, I just give
Nothing beats a Jet 2 holiday.
What did he say?
I just went through like surgery.
I feel like everyone, strangers would watch this, you know.
Oh my god, it's for the YouTube channel.
Yeah.
You won't censor that, right?
If you are nice to me throughout this whole trip, I will. Rate your drink.
By the way, I love your quality. I rate this actually 9. Solid. It's sweet and like it's sweet. I don't know why it's sweet, but
But it's not the sweet
it's
that...
supposed to be. I mean, this is supposed to be like natural, right? Like what's it called? Upper grade,
ceremonial.
ceremonial grade, right? So maybe the ceremony is feeling a little bit sweet. So I'm a sweet.
Okay, rate your first Korean coffee.
8. Okay. 8. This is 8.
Why are you judging?
No. Because she said it's like no sugar at all, and you're filming my nose and my mouth. Yeah,
You might never tell me. I cannot see, right?
No, but that's the thing. It's 8.
I mean like it's nice but it's like no difference.
6 lah.
6, okay lah 6.
She's super peer pressure.
Pure pressure. Rate your drink. Kid.
I got this strawberry. You see?
So
Then like the top is like creamy. I love it. I give it 8.
That's 7.
first matcha of the trip.
Say hi, guys. We currently in Daiso and their first purchase are cats. Thanks for cat treats for their cats.
Should I get this for my younger sister?
Yeah, I did, guys.
I don't know.
Look at this bag.
Okay, we actually
The challenge was to not buy anything.
The challenge was to keep our hands in our pocket, but apparently the hands melayang.
Apparently, my hands are a bit itchy and hot.
Dia macam tak tengok tau, tapi terambil.
Dia macam, oh, I think I need this. Oh, I think this is for someone else. Oh, macam itu.
Do we need it? Probably not, but still put inside.
Taste test.
it feels like 11. First food from the bazaar.
Bazaar. Wait, crony.
Rasa macam tahu. Okay.
Kalau makan strawberry dengan I want to go to Blue Elephant. Strawberry dengan
5 minutes to see everything.
strawberry dengan gula.
Okay. Hi guys, it's 11:20. We passed our curfews, but there's no curfews here. We're walking around finding photo spots and taking pictures. Hi guys, it's what time is it now?
11:53.
It's 11:53 a.m. p.m. And we just reached the hotel. Haha. We walked around Yeongdong, took pictures and stuff. Yeah. So now I'm going to give you a short haul on our Daiso items. So firstly, have this. It's for my mom. Universal adapter, cause we need it. 2 of it. Bath bomb. Jenna bought it. Have this kitchen towel. So cute. For my mom also. I don't know, pouch, Iron Man pouch. For my friend. This cat food thing for Jana's cat. Highlighter for Naila's sister. Another bath bomb. Sticky note for my mom. Sting. Oven glove or something. For my mom also. Sharpener. You would think it's for a pencil, but it's for Jana's eyebrow pencil. This compartment thing. Jana's also. The 3 of them have cats at home. So we have like 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 cat food for Jana's cat. 2 cat treats. 2 cat treats for Naila's cat. And 1 cat treat for Mariam's cat. And then Jana bought this. Oh, I bought envelopes. I also bought this. It's to this one lah, self-explanatory lah. Another highlighter for Naila's sister. I don't even know why Jana bought this clay. This is for Naila's sister. Another clay. She bought 2 clays. 2 more envelopes for me. And 1 more sticky note for my supervisor. That's the haul. Bye-bye. End of day. Do I call this day 1 or day 2?
Day 1.
Day 2 of us being together. Day 1 of us in Korea. See you on day 3. We are going somewhere. Bye-bye.